In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Line. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check for the latest version of the Line app on your device and what to look for so you can update with confidence. First, open the App Store that matches your device. On Apple devices like iPhone or iPad, that's the App Store. On Android devices, that's the Google Play Store. You can launch it from your home screen or by using your device's search to quickly find it. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the store can load the most current information. If your store asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your usual account. Some updates require you to be signed in so the store can verify your downloads. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and once you're in, you're ready to continue. Next, use the search bar at the top of the store and type Line in all caps, then open the app's store page. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct app. The official Line app will show the familiar green speech bubble logo with the word Line inside. Also check that the developer listed on the page matches the official publisher. This helps you avoid lookalike apps and ensures you're updating the right one. On the Line app page, you'll see what actions are available. If the app is already installed and fully up to date, you'll typically see an open button. On some devices, you may also see an uninstall option next to it. Seeing only the open button is your confirmation that you already have the most recent version available in the store for your device. If an update is available, you'll see an update button in place of open. Tap update to start downloading the latest version. The download size can vary, so it might take a moment depending on your connection. Keeping your device on a stable Wi-Fi network can help the update complete faster and avoid using mobile data. While it updates, you can watch the progress indicator on the store page. When the update button changes to open, the installation is finished. After the update completes, tap open to launch Line and continue using it as normal. That's all there is to it. Open your device's app store, sign in if prompted, search for Line, and verify it's the official app. Then either tap update if it's available or note that open means you're already current. Thanks for watching and happy messaging with the latest version of Line.